Old Man Emu's BP-51s are one of the few high-end damper packages that whittle down race-level technology into a bolt-on shock package that is really optimized for how most people are using their vehicles, and they kick the other guy's butt in terms of value as well. They use an internal bypass design very similar to what Fox uses on their Raptor stuff in the TRD Pros that provides position-sensitive dampening, and paired with their super plush valving makes for a really compliant, comfortable, and composed shock that is really more trail-oriented than race-oriented like the other guys at this price point. They are also one of the few shocks out there that not only have compression and rebound adjustment, and they have a huge range of adjustment as well. So you can really dial things into the loads you're carrying or the way you want your vehicle to feel. Now, position-sensitive shocks are sensitive about position, and Old Man Emu designs their shock packages to be paired with their springs as well. So if you have a separate shock and spring setup, we recommend it not getting OME springs, getting a spring that does about the exact amount of lift. And on coilover applications like you see here, we recommend using pretty much to a T their recommended preload adjustments based on the loads you have in your vehicle. This will ensure that you stay in that ideal ride zone where they ride their best and you have great travel in both directions. These BP-51s use an aluminum body, so they're never going to have a corrosion issue, at least in our lifetimes, and we seem to find their seals seem to outlast many of the other guys at this price point or at this level of shock. So they are a great option for somebody who's looking for a trail-oriented damper that they can live with for a long time and not have to wrench on all the time either.